Welcome back to MacCustoms. So today, guys, we have this awesome, it's a 2023 CanAm Defender 1000?
Yeah, limited.
It's a limited, yeah. This machine is beautiful. So what we're doing right now, starting off, is just installing a light bar in the front. So this we ordered, it was a 12-inch, I believe?
15.
15? Yeah. Okay. 15-inch light bar, he says. And as you can see, it's pre-drilled in the bumper there, so you can bottom mount ones. This is gonna look wicked. Yeah, and like when it came, there was no brackets or anything, right?
I just put these brackets on here and got them set to the holes I wanted to use.
Yeah, that's awesome. So it's saved from drilling and measuring and centering and everything. Yeah, that looks really good. So, first off, let's show your little hood prop. Like that. So, what are you into now?
I'm just mounting a relay for the light bar. Just screw it down with this screw that was already there.
We're good too. The light bar that we ordered came with the harness itself, so don't forget to order one if it doesn't come with it.
I'm thinking one of these would be keyed power. The power will probably go into one of them. And this ground will just go to the ground here. Like that. We're just bolting the light bar on now. We got us wired this far anyways, because it'll run into the cab to a better switch than that. Got Loctite on everything here. It's a 15-inch light bar. Fits really good. I like to get the ones with these mounts that go on the bottom. And they slide, so they can be any distance apart. If they got the mount on the side, you wouldn't be able to mount it onto this plate. comes up through there to the relay, to the fuse. The ground is just bolted right onto the factory ground there. This power will go to a switch inside the cab to match other switches.
It's pretty bright.
Yeah, that's gonna look sweet.
So that came with like a little switch there. What do you do? Just eliminate
Yeah, I'll
that?
just take that switch off and put the rocker switches in the dash.
Oh, like it just unclips there. We have the Lightbar installed. It looks fantastic there. Everything here is all back nice and neat. What was it that you... Right there?
Yeah, we put that fuse in this relay here.
Oh yeah,
We're
and
running
everything.
it through one of these stock wires just run through the cab and find it down under the dash. So I just used one of them in my switch.
Perfect. And right in here, the bike's not on of course, but right there is the switch for the Lightbar. Looks good. Till it's on there.
I also got it hooked up so when you turn off the key, the light bar will stay on into your dash and stuff times out.
Very nice. Yeah, I think that'd be wicked for tying down the bike when you're on the trailer, going in the house, anything like that really.
Getting the garage open.
Getting the garage open, yep. Do you know roughly what the delay? Oh, that long. Yeah, that's really cool.